Looking for top-notch picture windows, Knoxville? Our expert team specializes in picture window installation, Knoxville, Tennessee, ensuring your home is both beautiful and energy efficient. With EcoView energy-efficient windows, Knoxville, you can save on energy bills while enhancing your home's aesthetic appeal. For those in Knoxville seeking custom picture windows, Knoxville Designs, our services offer a wide range of options to suit any style. Our custom window designs, Knoxville, are tailored to meet your specific needs, providing both functionality and elegance. Whether you're looking for residential window services, Knoxville, or commercial window solutions, Knoxville, we have the expertise to deliver exceptional results. Our window replacement, Knoxville, Tennessee services are second to none, offering quick and reliable solutions for any window issues. From double-pane windows, Knoxville, to insulated windows, Knoxville, we ensure your windows are in perfect condition. Our window frame options, Knoxville, provide a variety of styles like picture windows, Knoxville, and materials vinyl, wood, and aluminum to choose from, ensuring a perfect fit for your home or business. Glass window specialists, Knoxville, are here to provide expert advice and installation services. Our window maintenance, Knoxville, Tennessee services keep your windows in top shape, preventing costly repairs down the line. With our window style consultation, Knoxville, you can explore various designs and find the perfect match for your property. Accurate window measurement, Knoxville, Tennessee, is crucial for a perfect fit, and our team excels in providing precise measurements. Our window hardware installation, Knoxville, ensures your picture windows, Knoxville, operate smoothly and securely. We also offer window sealing services, Knoxville, to prevent drafts and improve energy efficiency. Enhance your privacy and reduce glare with our window tinting, Knoxville, Tennessee options. Our window cleaning, Knoxville services keep your windows sparkling clean, enhancing your property's curb appeal. Trust our window glazing, Knoxville, Tennessee experts for superior insulation and noise reduction. Whether you need window hardware installation, window sealing services, or window tinting options, our team in Knoxville, Tennessee, is ready to assist. Our window cleaning services and window glazing experts ensure your picture windows, Knoxville, are always in pristine condition. Trust us for all your window needs, from installation to maintenance and repair. For added security, our window screen installation, Knoxville, and window security, Knoxville, Tennessee solutions provide peace of mind. Our window weatherproofing, Knoxville services protect your windows from harsh weather conditions, extending their lifespan. Reduce noise pollution with our window noise reduction, Knoxville solutions, creating a peaceful indoor environment. Protect your interiors from harmful UV rays with our window UV protection, Knoxville services. Our window condensation, Knoxville, Tennessee solutions prevent moisture buildup, ensuring clear and functional windows. Choose our window maintenance services for comprehensive care and long-lasting performance.